Welcome back to Miss Heidi Classroom. Today we are still in C major, but La has entered the room. A small staircase. Please do not fall off it. Listen first. Follow the score and the Kodaly signs. No singing yet.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do.
Now hum. Feel the climb to La, then come back down without wobbling. Now sing the syllables, clear do to la. The melody is helping you, so do not ignore the helpful thing. Oh, and it is a bit faster. Final round, no syllables. Hear it first, and it is really fast. Good. This one trains clean climbing and clean returning. La is not dangerous. It is just higher. Do not make it theatrical. Repeat it until the way up and the way home both stay steady. Miss Heidi approves controlled singers. They require less supervision.